Hello parents, welcome to Ranga. The gaming app we will talk about today is Candy Crush Saga. If we talk about the figures of Play Store, more than 100 crore people have installed this app. Not only this, but this app was also included in the list of top free apps of the year 2021. This game is made by King Digital Entertainment. The company clearly states that depending on the country in which you live, you must be over a certain age to play the game and use their services. In India, children below the age of 13 are forbidden to use this app. However, the app has also been recommended for very young children on App Store and Play Store.